Welcome back to Tainslade Info. Misfiring of missiles has been a hot topic in recent times. On 9th March 2022, India accidentally fired a BrahMos supersonic cruise missile into Pakistan territory, which provoked Pakistan to initiate a joint inquiry along with India. Post thorough investigation, on 23rd August 2022, three Indian Air Force officers were primarily held responsible for not following the standard operating procedures, and their services were terminated by the Indian government with immediate effect. In another incident, but this time with the Indian Army, three missiles were misfired during an exercise in the Jaisalmer region of Rajasthan, causing alarm in the surrounding areas. But luckily, this time it was not inside Pakistan. The missiles which were fired were surface to air missiles, and these missiles hit different villages around the region. As per the defense sources, there was no loss of life or property due to these missiles. The debris of two of the misfired missiles was recovered successfully, but the relevant search team is yet to find the third missile debris. Indian police and Indian Army personnel are currently searching for the third missile. As usual, a probe has been launched into the matter and further action would be taken accordingly. I'll keep tracking the progress made with this regard and upload one more video for the same. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Tainslade Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.